Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the geometry Regents. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the number of parts and question styles. Next, pinpoint the specific geometry concepts where you need the most improvement. Finally, develop a consistent study plan, dedicating at least 1 hour daily for several weeks leading up to the exam. This systematic approach will build a strong foundation for success. A deep dive into core concepts is crucial. Revisit essential theorems such as the Pythagorean theorem, which relates the sides of a right triangle, and the various triangle congruence postulates. Spend significant time on transformations, understanding how shapes move in a plane. Also, ensure you are proficient with coordinate geometry formulas for distance, midpoint, and slope, as these appear frequently. Consistent practice is your most powerful tool. Dedicate time to completing full past Regents exams, simulating actual test conditions to improve your pacing. After each practice test, meticulously review every question, not just the ones you answered incorrectly, to understand the solution process. Make sure to practice diverse problem types, including geometric proofs and constructions, which often carry significant point values. On exam day, strategic thinking is key. Begin by carefully reading each question twice to ensure you grasp all requirements before attempting to solve it. Always show every step of your work, even if you are unsure of the final answer, as partial credit can significantly boost your score. Finally, keep a close eye on the clock, allocating roughly 1.5 minutes per multiple choice question and more for extended response items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.